Hi everyone, it's Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI video enhancer to remove noise and boost the voice. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, when you're editing videos, the Galaxy AI can basically analyze audio to isolate your voice, reduce background noise, and improve sound quality, even without a microphone. So let me show you how to do this. So here I have a clip of where I've recorded a video of me standing on a Jeep, and I can go ahead and use the audio eraser to erase any noise. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll first go ahead and open up the Gallery app. Then we'll tap on this Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI will now analyze the clip and we'll see what it can remove. So as you can see, there are voices, there are wind, and there is noise. So I can go ahead and use the tool at the bottom here to remove any voices. So if I take it in the negative area, this is basically removing all the voices. If I take it in the positive area, this will basically bring all the noise in, even as same for the wind as well. So I can go ahead and edit this however I want. If you don't know what you're really doing, you can go and tap on auto, and this will basically do it for you. Once you're happy, tap on save edit, and then this will save a copy of that video. Then you can go ahead and play this video and see if it has improved it. So as you can see, it basically upgrades your content with studio-like audio clarity. It makes your videos more professional for TikTok, YouTube, and presentations. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the AI video enhancer to remove noise and boost voice on your videos.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.